Hello everybody, how are you today? Today I'm going to show you one story that I love and it's called Monkey and Me. Do you know I love monkeys? Yes, you know. So let's see how the story begins. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me, we went to see some penguins. Oh, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 penguins. Oh, look. There's a long red fish here. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me. We went to see some kangaroos. Oh, look. 1, 2, 3 kangaroos. And 1, 2 little babies. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me. We went to see some bats. Oh, look! So many bats there. Full of bats. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me. We went to see some elephants. Oh, look. Mommy elephant is not so happy, isn't she? Look at the baby elephant. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me. We went to see some monkeys. Oh, look. How many monkeys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Monkey and me, monkey and me, monkey and me. We went home for tea. And that's the end of this beautiful story that I show you today that is called Monkey and Me. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.